Hello guys, it's Ridolph and I welcome you to this Java tutorial. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to consider graphical user interface, that's the GUI component, and also we are going to consider how we can connect to database to allow more users. Okay, so before we do anything, we need to set up a platform whereby we can learn those stuffs on. So in this case, we are going to be using NETBEANS. In the previous tutorial, we were using Eclipse, and if you want to be learning those basics ones, you can subscribe me and check out on that playlist whereby we were using Eclipse. Okay, so I'll just search NETBEANS. Okay, I will search NETBEANS download. Then I hit enter. So I'll get a lot of options over here. I have a lot of websites over here, netbeans.org, and I have filehypo.com. So I'll click on filehypo because it's showing me that it's going to give me the version 8.1. So I'll click on that and I'll download my NETBEANS from this source. So I have NETBEANS 8.1 IDE, and I'll hit download latest version to just download the IDE. So you too, you can go ahead and download it as well, but if you have that already, then you need to just skip this video. Okay, so we will just install the NETBEANS we've downloaded. So I'll double click on that and hit yes. And now I will wait for the configuration of the installer to start my installation. Okay, so the configuration is done and I will start installing the NETBEANS just now. So alright, okay, so the installer is ready, and I will hit next to continue the installation. And you need to accept the terms and conditions by first reading them and accepting them. I wonder those who read all these stuff but I do read as well. Okay, so I'll accept that and accept the second one after reading, and I'll hit next. I already have my JDK. If you don't have the JDK, you can watch my Eclipse tutorial, the first tutorial, to get it. So just hit next again, check for update next, and the installation is in progress. So go ahead and install that on your system, and after the installation is done, maybe in 5 or 6 minutes later, 4 minutes, is done, and I will take that to finish. Alright, so right now my NETBEANS is ready on my machine. I already have my JDK, so I will search NETBEANS in my window or double click on it on my desktop if only I allowed that in the installation. So I will launch it and I will end this tutorial. But before then, if you don't have the JDK, you can't start programming anything here. So you can watch my first tutorial with Eclipse. Just subscribe to this channel and search Java with Eclipse. Thereby we have some basic tutorials over there: if statement, accepting input, arrays, and a lot of stuff in there. So I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.